3.1 number 3, we're supposed to use the alternate form of the derivative. So up to this point we've defined derivative using a difference quotient as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So that's the definition of derivative. This is another definition of derivative. It's still the change in y or the change in x, but as the change gets really close, as x approaches a, it becomes 1 point. So it's another way to define a derivative, an instantaneous derivative at one particular point. Okay, so using this formula, we're going to find the derivative of f of x equals 1 over x at x equals 3. Okay, so the limit, we'll do f of x, which is 1 over x, minus 1 over x minus a, and we're finding the limit as x goes to a. Alright, so now I would multiply, we've got two small fractions, so I'd multiply the top and bottom by the common denominator of those, so ax. So then it becomes, these x's are going to cross off, a minus, and these a's are going to cross off, x over ax times x minus a. So these are almost the same, they're just in the different order, so I'm going to take out a negative from the top, so it's negative 1. So then it would be negative a plus x, which negative a plus x and x minus a are the same thing. So those divide to be 1. So I get negative 1 over ax as x goes to a. And we said x is 3. And we also said that x and a are going to be the same thing. So I'll make a also 3. So we get negative 1/9. That's the slope of 1 over x at x equals 3.